Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Tarreja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am pursuing MCA from IIPS DAVV and in this video I am going to tell you about my mini project which is
Plasma bank management. What is plasma? Plasma is the liquid portion of blood. About 55% of our blood is plasma and the remaining 45% are red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. AB plasma can be given to patients of any blood type. Plasma serves three important functions in our bodies: helps to maintain blood pressure, supply critical protein for blood clotting, helps to maintain a proper pH balance in the body which supports cell functions. Let's see about our system. Introduction. People who have recovered from COVID-19 develop natural defenses to the disease in their plasma. Antibodies are found in part of the blood called plasma. Plasma donated from recovered patients, which contains COVID-19 antibodies, can be used to make two preparations. Firstly, convalescent plasma, which is plasma that contains these antibodies, and secondly, hyperimmune immunoglobulin, which is more concentrated and therefore contains more antibodies. And the availability of plasma products of all plasma types and the provision of its safety ensure public trust of its excellent healthcare system. The basic idea behind our system is to design, develop and implement online plasma bank management system. Our application provides to check the availability of plasma banks anytime, to manage the information of its plasma donor, function to check if the person donates plasma for the last 3 months, to allow good documentation about the donor and its plasma donation activities. The concept of our project is that it aims to develop a plasma or a plasma bank management system donation that it is clean, user-friendly and multifunctional. Online plasma donation system is mainly towards persons who are willing to donate plasma to the patients. Through this system, it will be easier to find a donor for exact plasma type and easy to build the connection between donor and the recipient. The main intent of building this software is to formal the procedure of plasma donation and motivate donors in order to donation plasma. Some point that we are going to work on are: a person will not have any issue regarding plasma inconvenience or any discommodity, reducing manpower for doing work more accurately, faster performance. People can easily interact with the hospitals in this system so that recovery from COVID-19 would be easy and fast for better performance. The problems in this are: this research study does not cover the actual plasma collection activity and actual plasma transfusion operation, because this information will updated in after some time of updates given by hospitals or donor. Plasma donors and patients or recipients of plasma donation are not system users. Their registration or information will be encoded by the plasma bank receptionist. So, who are our primary target customers? Nowadays, especially for COVID-19 patients, a plasma bank to treat novel coronavirus started functioning in Delhi, with CM Arvind Kejriwal saying that COVID-19 patients can donate their plasma 14 days after recovery. The government has set up the plasma bank at the state-run Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences. So, our primary customer is COVID-19 patients. So, what is in it for them? What problems will it solve or what benefits will it deliver? The plasma bank management system is designed to help the plasma bank administrator to meet the demands of plasma by sending the request for plasma as and when required. The proposed system gives the procedural approach of how to bridge the gap between recipient, donor and plasma banks. This application will provide a common ground for all the three parties, that is, recipient, donor and plasma banks, and will make sure the fulfillment of demand for plasma requested by recipient or plasma bank. Some problems it will solve are: there is no lack of efficiency because it is a because it is a paper based in collecting information about donors, inventories of plasma bag and plasma transfusion services. The lack of proper documentation may cause patients' health in danger due to the possibility of having contaminated plasma bags. Contamination happens when there is an incomplete record of their donation or related to their blood diseases donors, and the plasma bags shelf life is not monitored properly. Hence, a web-based plasma bank management system might be needed to address these issues and problems encountered to ensure plasma transfusion safety. The benefits it will provide are: people can directly interact with donor by giving their contact or information by authorization permission. We provide smooth and friendly use for donors and recipients. If any infected person needs plasma, we arrange it from any hospital in minimal time limit. We provide latest updates from hospital into the database. If any recovered coronavirus patients want to donate plasma, then first we check their health report, then we grant permission to access the system. How many hours I have spent looking for a product like this? I have spent only 1 hour looking for a product like mine because of coronavirus requirement of plasma is needed now. What product like mine are already on a market? There is no such product because it is still a manual based and a social media based. No software is available for this thing. It is running on social media basis. What data do you have that proves your product is better than what is available today? We are continuously updating this review as more evidence become available. Studies could be conducted anywhere in the world and include participants of any age, gender or ethnicity with mild, moderate or severe COVID-19. A person will not have any issue regarding plasma inconvenience or any discommodity. For better performance, people can easily interact with the hospitals in this system so that recovery from COVID-19 will be easy and fast. So basically, it is better than any manual system of plasma bank management that available today. What is the main thing we want to do next with our idea? We want to share our idea on public platforms. What are the biggest concerns or fears we have about our product? So the biggest concern we have is what response would the product receive in the market, and it will our idea be taken positive or not. Have we kept any logbook or journal of our work on this idea? No, we have not. Has our idea invention been disclosed in a public venue? Have our idea has been disclosed in a public venue? Yes. Have we pursued a patient? Yes, we had taken a reference of blood bank management product and websites to taking information. Investment of time and money. Approximately hours for thinking about this at 7 to 8. No money we have invested on it. Development stage of our project. We are still working on it. Let's see the demo. Let's run this. This is the opening page of our system. This is the menu page. Add a new donor, add a new recipient, donor records, recipient records, plasma donation details, edit records, exit. We have to enter a choice. So we can enter any choice. We can add donor details by giving the donor ID, name, age, mobile number, address, gender, date of birth, email and blood group. And after that we have to create a password and our ID will be created. We can also create recipient ID by giving the same details. After giving all the details, if any donor ID matches the requirements of recipient, then that ID will also be given after the creation of the recipient ID. We can find information about any particular donor ID by entering their donor ID. Same as for recipient ID. This is our editing menu. We can modify records, delete records for both donor and recipient. This is how we will modify a record. We have to enter an ID and all the new details for that ID. We can also delete the record. So let's get out of our system. Thank you for watching the video.